Let's see how to send email campaigns to your chatbot contacts. So here I'm in a demo account right here, and here these are the channels connected here. For example, if you collect an email from a user through the Instagram chatbot, then you have the option or capability to send any sort of email campaigns as well. So likewise, this simply works for the other channels like Messenger, WhatsApp, even website chatbot as well, or even if you collect an email address from an SMS chatbot, this simply works as well. So let's see how to create and send email campaigns for your chatbot contacts right here. So let me actually generate an email campaign first. So here I'm going to use ChatGPT. So let me add a prompt right here. Alright, so here are the actual emails along with the subject line, the content, everything is here right here. So let's see how to create an email campaign right here. So here you'll have to first create each emails you want to send to the customer in each separate flows. So here I'm in the flows section over here and create the first campaign. So let me actually name the first email as Health is Email Spotlight. So that's a first email that we want to send to the customers, and click continue. So I'm going to rename this one as email 1 just to try for references. Alright, it's renamed. So if I refresh this page, we should see the new name right here. Alright, so here we have to simply add the email block, choose plus icon and choose send email, simple as that. And here make this as the starting step, so we don't need this one, delete it. Alright, so here you have to simply add your title. If you want to add any sort of images, you can do that. Otherwise you can simply use the simple text over here. So here this is the subject line we have right here. So let me simply copy this subject line over here and paste it, again paste it, and here we have the content right here. So here let me simply copy the whole content right here and paste it. So here if you want to replace the first name, so use the first name custom field variable like this. All right, and let me add like this as well. And here they have some patient spotlight as well, so let me actually delete this one. I don't need it because this is just a simple demo of how this actually works. Alright, so here you can add the button saying book an appointment, and here you can add whatever the links you want to have to book an appointment, simple as that. Alright, and that's it. So here we have created a simple email to be sent to the customers who actually subscribe to your email marketing campaigns. Alright, so let me click publish over here. So that's email 1. So let me go back to the flows over here, and you can easily duplicate this one as well. So duplicate this one. Alright, it should be, so here it's duplicated, so you can simply rename this one. So let me say email 2 right here, and here if you want you can simply use this one as well. So here it's seasonal dental care tips, so let me name like that. Alright, continue, and let me open this one as well, and here you can simply copy paste this information for your customers. So let me copy this information. So here let me click on edit, and here you have to simply paste that information right here. So here you have to replace with the current season, those kind of things as well, and you can actually keep book appointment as it is. Alright, and click publish. So let me go back to flows once again, and here for the third one it's about understanding the dental procedures. So let me duplicate this one once again, duplicate, and let me rename this one again, just name it as 3, and replace this flow name as like this. Alright, click continue, and let me open this one and let me simply copy paste this information right here and paste it over here. Alright, and here if you want you can add this one as well. Alright, so now publish it, simple as that. And very quickly we have created 3 email campaigns right here. So now you want to create or assign all these 3 emails to a drip campaign, simple as that. Go to auto marketing right here, and here you have the option to create drip campaigns. Click on it, and here let me add a new drip campaign and name this one as dental email campaigns and click continue. Alright, so here you have to set the messages you want to send to them. So here these are the flows we have right here. So we want to send the email one flow. This is the one when you want to send, so you can actually send this immediately as well. So choose immediately and delete this one, so that will be sent as soon as they subscribe to this particular email campaign. And if you want to send the email to after like 7 days or like few months, so let's say if you want to send like 7 days, choose days and simply so choose 7 days right here. But if you want to test this how this actually works, let's choose 1 minute, so it will be sent after 1 minute. The first email is sent, and let me choose the email 3 as well, and let's choose again 1 minute, so that means after email 2 is sent, this will be sent in another 1 minute. So here you have the option to control the time frame as well and click save. Alright, so here we have created this drip campaign for the dental office with these 3 emails right here. So now we want to actually subscribe customers to these email campaigns. So for that you have to actually collect the customer's email address over there and subscribe them as well. So here let me create a very simple flow on how to collect a particular customer's email and subscribe them to this dental email campaigns right here. So here let me create a campaign, subscribe. So let me create a new flow and let me say collect email for the dental campaign and click continue. Alright, so here we are in this particular flow, collect email for the dental campaign. So here we want to collect the customer's email address, simple as that. So here you have to use the get user data, and here you can ask, hey, thanks for your interest, please enter your email address to receive dental tips and tricks on a monthly basis. So here we are collecting the email right here, and here make sure this is saved in the email field and remove the skip button as well. So they have to enter their email address. So as soon as they provide the email address, we want to add an action over here. So connect the action right here and set the email opt-in. So here choose email and set the email opt-in so that you can actually send any sort of email marketing campaigns. So sometimes you won't see these sort of actions such as email or SMS right here. So you need to have the email and SMS or any other channels connected to see all these actions over here. For example, to connect your email account, you have to go to settings over here. So in settings, you have to go to channels, and here you have the option to connect your own emails right here. So you can even connect your personal Gmail accounts as well. So for example, here we have connected test@chatbot. So that's why on all the emails we created right here, the from email is test@chatbot, simple as that, and it will be sent to the customer's email right here. Alright, so here we have set the email opt-in right here. So once they provide the email, we can also send them a confirmation message. So once they provide the email, we can send this sort of message: thanks, you are now subscribed to a dental clinic newsletter. So here after this step, we want to add an action actually subscribing them to the newsletter. So here actions, choose subscribe to drip campaign, and here you have to choose dental email campaign. So here these emails will be sent to those customers right there, simple as that, and click publish over here. Alright, so as soon as they provide their email, the emails will be sent to them from the drip campaign we have set up right here every 1 minute. But as I mentioned, you can set your own time frame there as well. Alright, it's published, so we can quickly test how this actually works. So let's say we want to collect emails from the Instagram and want to send those email marketing campaigns to those customers chatting on the Instagram. So let me show how to do that. So for the Instagram, you can get people into this particular automation on collecting emails through the Instagram comments or either through direct DM automations. So here you have the option to create keywords. So let me create a keyword to trigger this particular automation right here. So here let me open the keywords right here, and let's create a new keyword, and let me say hashtag email. So if they send this message, or let me say hashtag tips. Alright, so let's say if a customer sent hashtag tips, we want to collect the customer's email for the dental campaign. Simple as that. Save it. Alright, it's saved right here. So let's quickly test how this actually works. And here test chatting media is connected right here, and I'm actually sharing my mobile as well. So the keyword we set up was hashtag tips. So you can simply ask your customers to DM this exact hashtag on Instagram, and from there you can actually trigger that particular automation on collecting the customer's email. So it says, hey, thanks for your interest. Please enter your email address to receive dental tips and tricks on a monthly basis. So let me enter this email address right here and see what happens. So let me enter this email address over here and send it. Alright, I have just sent this particular email address. So it should say, thanks, you are now subscribed to our dental clinic newsletter, and we should receive an email as well. This is the email we just received over here. It says, brighten your smile tips for a healthier mount, and it simply says, dear Robert, at this sort of clinic, and here the option to book an appointment as well. So in another 1 minute we will receive the second email as well. So this is the first email we set up. So if we go to the flows over here, email 1, so here email 1, this is the email we set up right here. So here you can see the exact email subject line along with all the content right here, and after 1 minute we will receive the second email as well. As you see here, we have received the second email as well. So if I go to the flow section once again and open the second email, we can see the exact second email we set up right here. So it's about seasonal dental care tips or something like that, and we didn't change the email subject, so that's why we're actually receiving all those emails within the same email subject. So if we have changed the email subject to something else, then we should actually receive those emails separately. But anyways, just an idea. So here we received the same emails again, the second email right here on this same email subject because we haven't changed it there. It's a quick video on how you can actually send email campaigns to your chatbot contacts. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.